hindi sumusuko ang pag-ibig. You might encounter problems in the future as couple, as husband and wife, or as parents. Financial problems, health problems. Do not ever lose hope. Do not give up. Naririto tayo at nagtitipon ngayon upang makibahagi at sumaksi sa napakalang araw sa buhay nila Aldrin at Alvin. Naway ang kanilang pag-iibigan ay hindi magmaliw, bagkus ay lalong lumalim at tumibay pa ito sa pagdaan ng panahon. Love is patient and kind. It is not jealous, conceited, or proud. Love is not ill-mannered or selfish or irritable. Love does not keep a record of wrongs. Love is not happy with evil, but is happy with the truth. And love never gives up in its faith, hope, and patience. Never fails.